Hi, this is video 5 of Boomergurl's video series of the total renovation of the townhouse. Today, I'm going to show you the replacement of my formica counters with quartz and my new commercial sink. Boomergurl, Jackie of all trades, learned how to turn off the main gas line and to disconnect the stove all by herself without paying anybody a cent. Thanks for watching. This is the end of number 5 video. Number 6 video coming up next is my patio doors and repurposing of my Venetian blinds. Boomergurl, Jackie of all trades. We'll see you next time.